Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little update video. I didn't do any recording when I put the new rock lights in because I did them at work. But I just wanted to give you a little update on them. I went ahead and did 2 in each fender well, all the way around. I got 2 in the grill, and I got 2 more that are going to go on the back of the truck here. And I'm going to put them up underneath. I'll probably put them right about here on the trailer hitch mounts, somewhere in that area. And then I'm going to order 4 more and put 1 under each door. But I mean, these things are bright as all get up. And I got all the wiring. I mean, you can kind of see a little bit of it right there. Oh, I forgot to cut that zip tie. I mean, you kind of see it, but I got 90% of the wiring hidden. This is the only spot you can see it, and it drives me insane. Because with all the wiring on this truck, I like to have it hidden. But it comes down, runs across this cross member all the way across to the other wheel. And then under the hood, I added a fuse box so that everything I run will be fuse protected power. So I cut on the factory 6.0s. They have that tray where the factory air cleaner sat. Went ahead, cut that off and added in this fuse box, and it's labeled, as you can see, if you could see down there. Move this map sensor out of the way. I got labels on it. Not sure if that's focused or not, but I gotta go back. This was just quick for the time being. I gotta go back and heat shrink all of this, and these wires will get put into this bundle, and everything will be ran down like this. For my fuel system is already fuse protected right here. So all these wires will get taped up and put into a bundle, and you won't be able to tell what's factory and what's aftermarket. But they all run down here, and the way I did this, I got a wire coming off of the positive and the negative that goes down to the positive and the negative on the fuse block. And I'm running a 15 amp fuse, I believe it is, on it. I'd have to go back and check online. But I calculated the total resistance throughout the circuit. And the way I wired them up, it's a complete parallel leg. So you have dual wire that's connected together, and I have the negative right down here on the negative terminal of the fuse block, and the power coming off the fuse block, and it goes down. And right here, if I can fish it up out of here to show y'all, if I can get it, how I have this ran. There. I have really nice T-taps that ran, and then the wire has got the power and the ground on it, and these ran in a parallel circuit all the way around, so each wire has the same level of resistance, and they all get the same voltage based off of voltage drop throughout the circuit. And then up here too, this wiring here, that all get put in this loom, and you'll never be able to see it. But then up here on the grill, the 2 lights I have in here, on a Ford grill, there's 2, let me see if I get the camera. Probably be a little bit easier if I lift this up. There's 2 bolt holes here and over here where this factory plastic piece sits in, and it has the snaps in it. I just used that and mounted in the grill. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. And I'm still deciding if I want to put 2 more lights up here onto the front. And then I have the wires ran down through here, and then again, all this stuff is going to get cleaned up. It's kind of just rough at the moment, but I don't have the factory auxiliary switches, which I wish I did, you know, that normally sit here. So I ran everything in here, and I got my switch for the lights right here. But you know, everything's hidden up in here. Can't, you know, I'm a big fan of not being able to see any wiring. Not, you know, looking at something and saying, oh, you know, is that factory or is that stock? So it's just a little update on the lights. And don't mind the rusty shocks. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of those this weekend, and I'll make a video on that. But they were Bilsteins that were brushed with a polished finish, and I polished them out. But you know, I forgot they're, you know, stainless, not aluminum, so they do rust. But I'm gonna polish them this weekend and spray them with clear coat so that I'll never have to worry about it. Truck's filthy right now, but the ceramic coat is definitely helping keeping it clean. It's great to walk out here in the morning and just see the paint beading up. But drop a comment and let me know what you want to see in the future. Also this weekend, I'm probably going to be pulling the radiator out of it, or excuse me, not the radiator, the intercore. But that's a whole new topic and a whole new list of things I'm trying to get fixed on the truck. But we'll get into that a little bit more this weekend. I'll catch you on the next one.